Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be unboxing this Poco X3 NFC. So, yeah, and open it up. Let's take off this, and what's in this? SIM card ejection tool. Got the case, some instructions, who needs those, and then the phone. Been out in the snow because it's been being delivered, and it's out in the snow for about 3 seconds, so it's probably really cold. So let's, there we go. There you go, and let's open it. There it is. Snapdragon 732G, 120Hz, 6.67 Full HD Plus dot display, and 240Hz touch sampling, 64 megapixel AI quad camera, and 5160 mAh battery. Let's take off this sticker. There we go. I'm going to put on the case because I don't want to get it dirty or anything. It's quite tight. There we go. It's good. Do you get this on? There we go. Let's turn it on. There we go. Insert, and you've got a power brick. I'm just going to take it. Okay, so this power brick, it's a, I don't remember what it was, it's a 20 volt 20 volt 1.3 amp. I'm going to put this in down here. And this, I'm going to be transitioning to a USB Type C because my old phone has USB and Micro B, so this is USB Type C. So my laptop and my phone can both charge off the same cable, which is good. Plug that in, and then plug in the charging cable into this. There you go. Click next. United Kingdom. Oh, it's got a light there. United Kingdom. It's quite a big phone. Okay, I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I've connected to my network. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to go. Oh, I don't want to do that. Whoops. There you go. Tick that box. Checking for SIM card. Oh, I need to put in my SIM card. I'm going to unplug it. Go. And this one literally just falls off. So I'm going to use my, where's my Pocophone tool? Here's my Pocophone tool. Let's put the Pocophone tool into that phone, and where's the Pocophone hold? Put it into the Pocophone hold. Get out the Pocophone stuff. There we go. It's got a metal trim. This one's got a metal SIM tray. This one's got a plastic SIM tray. But I don't really care. It doesn't really matter. It's just a SIM tray. They've chosen the right things to cut corners on. that in. Check again. This is a difficult decision. Do I or do I not? I'm gonna say I do. Set up my device.
All right.
You could turn up the brightness on this one. I'm going to turn down the brightness on this one then. I'm going to put in my fingerprint. There we go. Copying your account. There you go. Press close. There you go. Now it's going to move all my stuff. Let's wait for it. There you go. It's just doing it. It's going to do my screen lock. I want to restore my apps, SMS messages, device settings, call history. Yes, that all seems okay. I'm just going to go with Google. Continue. Okay. Next. I agree. Nope, I don't want any of those. That's okay. I'm just going to add my email. Okay, so it's adding the finishing touches. And so Google account. Click on. Just create a new Me account. I'm going to just. No. No. I'm going to set fingerprint. I'm going to set myself a pattern. Got it. The tactics on this is pretty good. Okay, so I don't want location, I want user experience program. I don't want to send diagnostic data, I want automatic updates, I don't want personalized apps. I want the wallpaper carousel. Switch between limitless and classic. I don't understand what the difference is. They all look the same, just with different wallpaper. I'm going to go with that one then. I'm going to plug it back in. Come on. see, turn up the brightness, there we go. I like the kind of animation, it's very nice. I try and use the stock launcher until I get a bit bored of it. I don't know why no apps are showing up. Okay, tomorrow there will be a video about, just generally about it, rather than me unboxing it. Bye.